Well, I'm over here at near the Snowcreek office and walking toward the pond. Actually, there's two ponds here, one on either side of the office. And I hoped to get here in time to get the fall color, which was gorgeous. But instead, we had a storm since we got back with high winds, and they've stripped the trees. And now what we're going to be doing is looking at the trees, because they're pretty dramatic looking, stripped bare. So we'll see the mountain here in a moment. Well, we'll get a different view now. Probably see the pond and maybe the mountain up above. Well, I've got cars coming along this street and I'm a little worried one of them is going to run into the drone, so got to be a little careful here. But we'll walk for a bit here and catch the views. I'd like to go around this corner and see some more of these stripped trees, and also kind of a less obstructed view of Mammoth Mountain since the leaves are gone for the most part. Well, there's a lot of traffic around here today. So let's make the turn here and at least get some of this view. So here are the trees that were so full of leaves just a week ago. And there's the mountain behind the trees. Let's hope we don't get any traffic in here for this next 20 seconds or so. This is a pretty good view of the whole area, though. So there is probably the best view of the mountain.